Hi, I'm Yin. I'm currently a first-year computer science student at University Science Malaysia. Coding is fun because it allows me to solve various problems and showcase my creativity. Today, I'm going to guide you to create this really simple game called Catch the Apple. First, we choose a background. I'll choose this blue sky, and then we select the bowl to catch the apple. To make it larger, I resize it to 110. And for the game to start, we need the green flag. Now go to motion and select set Y to, or set it to -150. Now go to control and select forever. We'll also need two of this if then. Inside the diamond space here, we select sensing, then choose this key space press. Choose right arrow and left arrow since we want the ball to move left and right. And then we choose two of these, move 10 steps and fill it inside the space there, and change the steps from 10 to -10 under the left arrow. Now you can try it out using your left and right keys. Now we'll continue to work on the apple. Select the apple. Then to make it smaller, I resize it to 70. Same as before, to let the game start, we will need this green flag. Then go to looks and select show to show the apple when the game starts. Then we'll go to variables and choose set my variable to 0. We'll also need to make a new variable named score to record the score that we obtain. Now change the my variable to score. Now go to motion and select go to random position. Next, select set Y to, and we'll set it to 160. And also we'll need this glide 1 second to X, Y. Select the X to drag the X position and fill it in. For Y, we'll set it to -160. Now go to control. Then select this repeat until, and inside the diamond space there, we'll need the operators, not operators. And inside the green diamond, there's another space, and we'll go to sensing and choose the first one, touching mouse pointer, and change the mouse pointer to both. Then we'll go to control again and select this if then. Inside the diamond there, go to sensing again. Sensing, yes, and we'll choose the first one and also change it to ball. Now we go to variable and choose this change my variable by 1 and change the my variable to score, since we will get 1 point if we caught the apple. Now we can also add a sound effect, and I will use this chomp You can change it to another sound effect if you want to. After that, we'll need three of these blue color blocks again. Go to random position, set Y to, same as before, 160. And don't forget to glide 1 second to X and Y. X position for X and minus 160 for Y. And the last step, go to loops and select height. And we are now done creating this catchy Apple game. And try it out. And yeah, I'm a CodeSyster. Come join the fun and code with me.